pending weather, because it's Costa Rica. Who knows when it's gonna rain? Probably every day, but let's see if luck is on my side, and if the rain holds out, I'm gonna do some zip lining. So let's go for a ride today. Once you get to Selvatura Adventure Park and pay for any additional accessories that you're going to want to use on your zip lining, you're quickly transported into a van and then onto the closest trail. Your first stop is compiled of a gear check to make sure that you are properly harnessed in. Then you're given a safety briefing on how to properly hold your hands during the zip line so you do not hurt yourself. Now comes the highly anticipated part. They attach you to the cable, and then before you know it, you're zipping through the rainforest. After they disconnect you at each landing platform, changing over to the next zip line is pretty quick. Towards the end of the zipline course, you're given a choice. You can either go to the final zipline, or you can go to the Tarzan swing. At the Tarzan swing, they open up a gate after you're strapped in, you squat, and then you let go. One of the additional accessories that's available to rent is the harness that allows you to do the Superman position on the last zip line. It's completely optional, but I have to tell you, it is completely worth it. I just got done doing the zip lining. You can see the GoPro on my helmet. I was on the fence about taking my phone. You can take your phone, it is at your own risk. You can rent a GoPro here and have it attached to your helmet like I am doing. You can also get package that they take photographs of you. I did do the Superman where you are just sitting on your belly and you're flying through the air like Superman. You are going 40 miles an hour. Also, you can do an optional Tarzan swing where you are up on a platform, they strap you in, and then you literally swing like Tarzan. Jane no find Tarzan. I need a Tarzan boyfriend, I think. I didn't find him up there today. The guides here at Selvatura are very good. They're very knowledgeable. They make you feel at ease. So even if you're not sure, you're kind of hesitant, they make you feel really good. They're not going to pressure you to do anything. So if you're looking for a spot to come visit, you want some activity, maybe get your adrenaline going, I would definitely suggest this place.